Hi guys, so today I want to share with you the Spellbinders Advent Calendar. Full disclosure, I'm making a short video with this, so I'm going to open it now, and when I come back, I might have some of the pockets open. Well, let's see how this goes. So they did send this item initially free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you're a purchase items to those links. Now with this thing, it's sold out in a day, I think, and it's not back, so this is not available, but hopefully they'll have one next year. But this is the first one. You guys know it breaks my heart to open this, but we're going to open it. So I'm going to open days 1 through 4, and I think that'll be a lot of fun, because I think I'll just do every 4 days. I'll open up another, 4 spaces, and then we'll see if maybe we can make something with it that day or whatever. Hard to see. I'm going to open number 1, and then I'll go to 2 and 3 and 4, and we'll just see how it goes. A little mailbox. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest, you guys. And look at it, it even has like the little for you. It has a little mailbox with accent pieces. Oh my gosh. You guys, I mean, how cute is that? Sorry, I'm filming, like I said, a short and doing this, so it might seem odd. So I'm gonna put this back in here for now. And let's open number 2. Here goes number 2, second day, Christmas. Oh my gosh, a little thinking of you stamp set with layering flower stamps. Oh my goodness. This is super cute, you guys. I think they're acrylic though, just taking a look and initially, just how acrylic looks. So I think these are acrylic stamps. Okay, well, let's go for number 3, which is down here. I don't think you're able to see it on camera. I'm sorry, my camera, the new way it records, it's just odd. So it's a different angle than, or what it takes in. I don't know how to explain it. A viewfinder, I guess. It's different from my old camera. But I already panned out as far as I can. I'm just trying to get this in a way that you guys can still see, possibly. All right, let's go for day 3. Oh, this is so cute, and I'm doing this with one hand. I don't want to tear this. Oh my goodness, I'm already tearing it in a weird way. Ooh, a little border die, and it even has an accent piece. You guys, how cute is that? It's a border die, and then it even has like another piece that helps you scallop, like if you want to put a scallop and then do that. So we'll talk about this in just a bit, okay? And day 4. Okay, let's go day 4. Last one for today. Oh, I don't want to tear the whole thing. Sorry, guys. Ah, this is hard to do with one hand. Ooh, a little die set. It looks like some words. What a cute, cute advent calendar, my goodness. You guys, look at that. So it looks like it says birthday. Happy birthday. Oh my gosh, with the background die and everything. This is very well done, I'm gonna say. I mean, obviously they had us show it to you, but they would like for us to not show anything until the actual, December 1st. So I am just, wow, this is really nice, you guys. They did a really nice job with this. So let's see what we can create, maybe a little something, okay? I'll be right back. Use these pieces, we'll see how that goes. So, of course, that little, oh my goodness, post office or mailbox is super cute. Say post office box. Let's go ahead and make a long card. So I'm going to cut this at the 4 1/4. I hope this is standard A2 size paper. A lot of times I have European papers and I don't realize until later. And then I'm going to score it at 5.5 inches. So we can use that little scallop border. So 5.5. Yeah, looks like this is standard A2, so that's nice. Score of 5.5. And then what we can do is we'll take this guy and let's give it a quick measure, because they look obviously not 5 inches. I mean, it looked a little bit short to me for 5 inches. Yeah, okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4 1/4. So what I'm going to do is take this along like this bottom edge. Why not? And I'm just eyeballing that. And I'm going to run that through, and of course if you want to make sure it's straight, you can definitely do that. I'm just going to eyeball and stick it down using tape that I have sitting here for a while. And I think I can run this through my marquee. Yeah, it's right at 4 1/4. And you know, whenever I do this, I either go like this or I even go right to the crease, because when you do run it through, it will kind of give it another little crease with those, the ends of your die cutting, whatever it is that you're using for die cutting. So like I can go like this actually, and then maybe just bring it back through. That way I don't have to deal with that, making that weird little, oh, that's so funny. It just came off right away because I cut it off, right? So there it is. And since I eyeball that, I don't know exactly what my dimensions are here, but we have this cute little piece of lace that cuts its own thing, so we'll have that guy in here, right? And then we have this portion here, so what I'm thinking is doing is just some stamping, just with these two guys, like this guy and maybe the little center, just all over the place, kind of fun. So let me see how big this is, what I have left here. Let's say 4 inches. I'm trying to think, do I want to scallop my paper too? No, we'll just leave it. Okay, so 4 inches by 4 1/8. So I'm gonna cut a piece of paper that's 4 by 4 1/8 inches, and I'll be right back. So 4 by 4 1/8, and I'm just going to take some ink and a light purple. Maybe I'll do a dark purple center. Just thinking about doing like green or something, but it's okay. So we'll take this guy, and like I said, I believe this is an acrylic stamp set. Yeah. Definitely acrylic. And I'm just going to stamp this just in a fun way. So of course we like to stamp off the edge and all that kind of thing. So I'm just going to take this guy and like stamp there. Nope. Cute. Okay, so just super eclectic, like maybe another one like in there. Okay. Ugh. I just when I'm doing backgrounds, I'm like, I don't know when to stop. And then maybe one right here. Okay. And then, like I said, I'm going to take this little center piece. And generally I try to get, oh there it is, I would say a stamping block that's smaller so you can control it better. And look at this little 1-inch stamping block I have. And I'm just going to go in with a darker purple. And just in the center, I'm not even trying to make it perfect. Okay, so I'll go around and do that to all the centers. If we really take a closer look, these make like a little bouquet, so you have the little stems here, and then you have your flowers, and this one kind of nestles into there, that one nestles into the other side, and you have your leaves, so really cute, really fun. Anyhow, I'll be right back. So I have these pieces, and this one literally just goes like right there. Again, it's very 4 by 4 1/8. I mean, if you want to do it that way, you want to turn it this way, whichever one. I think it looks nice this way. And, oh, there it is. So I just refilled my little glue. I'm going to cut a piece of paper that can go underneath this at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, so we can layer in here. There's our little piece here. And then I'm going to go ahead, oh, good thing. I was going to wash my hands and I didn't, and look at that. We're going to layer that anyway, like I just said. I'm going to run this through some purple, like a dark purple. Ooh, like this one. And I have that little piece of lace that we can use, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh my goodness. And it goes like this. How cute is that? And I'm just going to pop that on there. And then we have this piece, again, I cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8 or so. Ooh, I had a little notch taken out of that one. Did not mean to do that. And then I'll just matte layer right in there. Nice and straight. And then with this little guy, I'll put glue on the back of my hand. And just run that through. What a fun little shape. And we'll just pop that on here. A little bit, there we go. So I'm going to hold that down, and then we'll finish off with our happy birthday, but I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so we have our happy birthday, and I think what I'm going to do with this one, that is so nice, oh my gosh. is for the background. I'm going to cut it out of silver paper because it just feels like silver is like a nice accent. And then I'm going to do the happy birthday out of the lavender paper that I used initially. Okay, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let me put this away because I think we're ready to just be finished up with this little guy. Really cute. Actually, I was going to put everything up in the top part, but I guess if you want to, I'm still going to probably do that. Just probably put this guy up here, but could pop it down there too. Oh, I need these. So again, glue in the back of the hand. And I am going to use a tweezer because these are a little bit thinner than... Nope. Held it too gingerly. There we go. So dipping on some glue. And I'm just going to apply that there. Oh my gosh, how pretty. And then same thing with the H. And then I'll do the same thing with the Earth Day. I think it's B and then Earth Day. Yeah. And the little I is attached, the dot to the I is attached, which I appreciate. So take that guy and pop him right there. And then same thing, like I said, with the birthday. I know it's hard to see because of the reflection, sorry. But I'll be right back. Our card, I already put some dimensionals on the back of my little wording here. So I'm going to put like happy and like birthday here, I think. Just a little bit sideways. You know what? Maybe a little bit more in. And I'll move it over just a little bit. So what I try to do whenever I do something like this, where it's just kind of like in a sideways way or just a little offset, I'm trying to pay attention to how much I have left here and how much I have left here, so it's still centered in a way. So there's that, just something cute and quick. They knocked this advent calendar out of the park already, just initially. I mean, you've seen other advent calendars where it's like tiny. I mean, just to have they could have just done the letters, right, or the words, but they have the background dies. Like this one, I mean, could have been a lace piece, but it has a border die with it. A whole little set that makes a little bouquet, you know, that little mailbox that just has all the different pieces to it to make it look, you know, more substantial. I can't say enough. Wow. So looking forward to next year's, looking forward to the next few openings here. So again, I think every 4 days I'll open them because I think there's 24 boxes, so that makes sense, right? So we did 1 through 4, and then we'll do 5 through 8, and then so on. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. Again, I'll have images coming up. You know, I'll have links to Spellbinders, but again, this guy has been sold out, so sorry, but here it is. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.